Like, what's the chatter about? I thought niggas already knew. I didn't even know this shit was still debatable. Sunny.
Untouchable, uncrushable. Run it in a 600. Run it in a 600. Untouchable, uncrushable.
Yeah.
Run it in a 600. Run it in a 600.
Look, we wake up and crack shells, call it breakfast. I stress this. Sunny smoking just so he say stressless. I inhale, exhale, got a nigga breathless. My wordplay work, man, I barely even rested. It ain't really hard to determine who the best is. I wrestle competition till I leave them niggas restless. Take the game by storm and I don't know where I'ma place it. Cause in this human race, I'm a second and third place racist. Pushing just to win, I'm ahead, my nigga face it. My ceiling is up out of this world, they say it's spacious. I keep getting better, other niggas getting braces. To fill the gap in between us, I just smile and embrace it. I rap like llama spit if I'm whack. You llama shit, you relapse and take a hit cause I'm crack. You Reggie shit, these straight facts. Yeah, it's legit, you trash, I'm dumping it. Ass smooth, no lumps in this, I'm on some Andre Drummond shit. You get pissed on if you ever try and take the shit. I'm in rare form, rap niggas is scared that I exist. But they digging it like they fucking archaeologists. And I'm bad to the fucking bone, who you know how this is. I'm addicted to these Swisher sweets, man, I like them stuffed. Break it down, fill it up, igniting some of the earth's lust. It's a must, I gotta give it till a nigga dust. Who the next runner up? I run this shit like tough luck.
Untouchable, uncrushable. Run it in a 600. Run it in a 600. Untouchable, uncrushable. Run it in a 600. Run it in a 600.
Untouchable, I mean these rhymes is uncrushable. Eating baby rappers, man, your balls is like lunchable. Untouchable, man, these rhymes is uncrushable. Eating baby rappers, man, your balls is like lunchable. Bitches popping in, claiming fucking Dr. Huxtable. Niggas hold down and I accepted no deductible. Sunny D and me and it was bound to be combustible. Sunny D and me and it was bound to be combustible.